Hello teachers, my name is Hai. I work as a mechanical specializing in diagnosing and repairing vehicle system. I work for Suzuki Motor Company. In my job, I enjoy solving mechanical problems and keeping vehicle running safeties and efficiently. I start work at 7 a.m. to half past 5 p.m. I really like this job because I like work, I like working with new automotive technologies such as electric cars. This is a hand job that requires technics, technician, technical knowledge and patience in every detail. Thanks for listening.